come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
Anand Ranganathan. We don't know, and neither does Pakistan know where Asif Munir, Mullah Munir is. पता नहीं कहां पे, कहां चले गए. वो जो चाइना के पास एक डूंगा लेके गए हैं ना, $1.4 billion, दे दो मेरे आका, दे दो मेरे आका. That is the state of Pakistan, and they are calling us names. And today on the show, Uzma Kardar has confessed that the only Awzar, the only weapon that they have is sending terrorists. That's the only export they have. Anand Ranganathan, they are giving us lessons and they are unleashing Shahid Afridi on us. Oh my God, we are so scared. We are so scared of Shahid Afridi.
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. You know, when the Taliban says that we are worried about the terror being perpetrated by Pakistan, you really know that something is off. You know, that is the typical CV of Pakistan. They can write in one line. Even Taliban is criticizing us. No, but you know, this kind of tutu meme is expected, because what else would a terror state and...
Ajit Doval, your national advisor.
I did not interrupt you.
He told us very clearly
You want to take...
we are going to support TTP. And we are going to bring terror in your country, especially in Balochistan.
Madam,
this is what Ajit Doval said in 2016. Uzma Kardar, you know, you will not succeed in drowning out the voice of my very own Indian friend Anand Ranganathan. Listen to him first, and I'll get you in later. All other faders down. Anand.
No, I'm prepared to give my time to Usmaji, because this is the only time on an Indian channel that a Pakistani woman can express herself freely. You know, this is the problem of Pakistan. But, you know, couple of questions, because this tutu meme is going to continue forever. These guys are very well trained. When you have the sitting Prime Minister at that point of time, now he is in prison, Imran Khan, he agreed that they trained militants, Al-Qaeda militants. When you have the current Minister of Pakistan agreeing on one of the British broadcasting channels that we were doing the dirty work of Western nations by training terrorists, what else is there to say? But I'll just say this, because as I said, we are not interested in tutu meme. Pakistanis, if they are honest, if they are God-fearing, अगर उनको अल्लाह से डर लगता है, तो बस दो चीजें बता दीजिए कि उनके पार्लियामेंट ने अहमदियाज को नॉन मुस्लिम का स्टेटस क्यों दिया हुआ है. Ahmadiyas were one of the community of Muslims that were principal in getting partition away and Pakistan to partition. अब उनको ही आपने कह दिया कि वो मुस्लिम नहीं है, तो आप कैसा ऐसा स्टेट है टू नेशन थ्योरी पे, जो कि इस्लाम के बेसिस पे फॉर्म्ड है, जो शियास को परसिक्यूट कर रहे हैं, जो कि अहमदियाज को मुस्लिम्स ही मान रहे. यहां तक कि the amazing personality Dr. Abdul Salam, the first Pakistani to get the Nobel Prize, on his tombstone when it was written the first Muslim Nobel laureate, वो मुस्लिम हटा दिया गया. So now the tombstone read Abdul Salam, the first Nobel laureate. ये आप अपने फेलो मुस्लिम्स और इस्लाम के फॉलोअर्स के साथ करते हैं, तो आपको कोई कहने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको जितना तू मैं करना है करिए. You are a failed state and you will reach your end like your beginning.